Newly elected mayors. Key highlights. Recently, 3 cities have concluded their mayoral elections, resulting in new leadership for each city. Notably, all 3 elected mayors are Muslim, marking a historic moment in their respective cities. 1. Minneapolis. The new Muslim mayor focuses on community engagement, public safety, and economic development. Key priorities include improving city infrastructure and fostering stronger relations with local neighborhoods. 2. London. The newly elected Muslim mayor emphasizes sustainability, public transport improvements, and housing solutions. Efforts are being directed toward making the city greener and more accessible for all residents. 3. New York. The Muslim mayor-elect is committed to education, urban development, and crime reduction. Strategic plans aim to boost the city's economic growth while ensuring safety and inclusivity. These elections represent a historic change in leadership, with each mayor setting ambitious agendas to address the unique challenges of their cities. Report prepared by Omar Mohammed Shire.